Well, it's Iowa.
It's Iowa.
It's snowing again.
Snowing again.
And Noah put us right where the snow is coming right in our eyes.
Right in our eyes.
Because we can barely open our eyes.
I can't.
This is the worst state for vlogging, but we need a vlog, so guess what? We're gonna try something. Go for it! Whee! Oh, that was ice right there.
Well, this sucks.
I belong to you.
It's us. I know it's us. Hey, buddy. I know. Oh. There's stage there.
Hey Jack, where you at? A lot of you didn't know this. This is their other dog, Jack. He's our outside guard dog. Why are you in the snow, man? Go inside. Yeah, it's a shed. Yeah, you go. He listened to me. Holy cow. Sure, he's gonna try to make it across the bridge.
Alright, here we go. Oh boy! Well, we have some speed. And we're going into the deep. Oh shit! I really thought that would work better. You want to join?
No, I'm good.
You're lost, buddy.
Okay.
Alright. I feel it. I feel it. No, stay fast. Not again.
Oh my goodness!
How'd this happen?
Oh, there
Oh, I dropped my glove! Oh!
Oh, daggone.
I thought this would work better. I hit this log really hard.
Give it a look. I scared nothing. Yeah! Yeah! We're gonna make it! I feel confident.
Idiots.
We're making a ramp. It's going to work.
Hold on, I can barely see it. Ah, yes, there it is. You start on top of that hill, send Isaac down at like Mach 2, Mach 3, hit that ramp, send them up that way somewhere.
Mars is the goal.
Okay, so we smartly made the ramp right next to this tree.
Perfect.
So,
I go crooked. It's my punishment. I have to hit the tree.
okay. You ready?
Just woke up from nap. It's a little dark out. Were you guys silly? Still gonna send it.
Uno, dos. Here we go.
Oh boy. Oh boy. That tree's going crooked. We'll try again.
Sending that.
Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, same deal. Take 3. Me back up on the hill like that. Oh my dear golly!
You missed!
We both missed.
Alright, here we go. Never that full deck.
I go crooked. It's my punishment. I have to hit the tree.
There it is. There it is.
Are you okay?
I kicked the tree so hard.
Instant replay of that.
There it is.
If I go crooked, it's my punishment. I have to hit the tree.
Oh, there's a camera. I'm fine. I'm fine.
You know, whoever idea was to make this ramp right next to this tree.
Genius, guys. Great content.
What do you name this tree?
There's only one thing I could do. Oh, did I do the full? Not my day, man.
There's just so many stinking trees to try to sled in that, you know, that happens.
I'm not gonna live in Iowa forever. What do you think, guys? Texas? Texas. Joe Rogan's there. If it's good enough for Joe Rogan, it's good enough for us.
I'm finding you some electrolytes. Gatorade, not sponsored.
Are you okay?
This video is not me. I've already hurt my how's this? Oh, I keep skipping words. Try again. I've already hurt myself enough times today, so why the heck not another one? I can do better.
It's so hard to see.
Ow! Here we go.
Oh, I spin it the wrong way.
Alright, here we go. Hey, this just seems so safe, doesn't it? Shoes untied. Hey, at least there's no trees though, eh? There it is!
Yeah? Hey, careful of the ice.
This stuff. Oh crap! I slipped on that ice. That was so lame. I thought I chipped a tooth on ice. I'm not even joking. I taste blood. That's it.
There's nothing
I taste
there.
blood. I taste blood. And that's it. Okay. I taste blood.
There's nothing there.
Yes, there is. You can see it.
It's
I
a nice
taste blood.
nose
I taste
shot.
blood. Thanks, man. It costs a lot of money.
This is so peaceful.
Master, speed is key. Speed is key.
You need to go to bed and start over.
I sure do. I taste blood.
There's no blood.
Yes, there is. Found the cheapest snowboard you can find at your local Kmart.
Kmart. We can do a sick double McTwist.
This one's for you, Mom. How close was I?
That was pretty close.
I'll try again. This one's not for you, Grandma.
Alright, you got this. Watch out for that ice.
What happened? What happened? It's up there.
What are you doing now, Pops?
Okay. Watch out for this ice. Lean
Watch out
forward
for
a
the
little
ice.
bit. Center of gravity's just.
Knees bent.
Okay, I'm feeling it this time. Cowabunga, man! Hold up, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Superimpose me. Just like going down the hill really fast. You know? What happened?
You suck.
I'm too fat. I gotta go get that now. That's for you guys, the views, man. I got it!
This video's just been an Isaac special, huh?
I like it. I don't have to do anything.
You know what? I think I've decided to retire, giving up my snowboarding career. I'm gonna stick with being a professional idiot.
Alright, SU. That's good. Starting on the B now. Oh, this is good. I knew graduating first grade would help you.
Subscribe. Okay, I couldn't fit it all in, but sub will work.
Like a sub sandwich? Subway?
Yeah, appreciate you, man.
Subscribe, please. What's now? What are you doing now?
Hey, you watch your mouth, man. Do you want content or not?
Yes.
Okay, you're always on my butt saying to do something funny. So you know what? Still gonna send that. That was almost cool.
That was really cool.
Just being really cool.
Do it for the children.
Nah, forget the children. No! What is happening? Stupid children! You suck! You suck, children! Stupid children.
Fireplace, cookies,
No trees. There it is!
Well, let's wrap this up. So, like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and God bless. Wade, you're not having anything, okay? Get over it.
Hey, baby.
Oh.